צדוק מאתר גאדג'טי, ואנחנו מביתן LG עם מכשיר התת-מימד השני של LG, ה-LG Optimus 3D Max. Now we'll have a short demonstration of the device.
Yeah, sure. So this is the new Optimus 3D Max. It has a 1.2 GHz processor, it's dual core, dual channel and dual memory. It has two 5 megapixel cameras, so it enables you to take 3D photos and 3D videos. So if I press this little key at the top here, this is your 3D hotkey. That will take you into your 3D menu. So you've got games and apps. There's also a guide in there. There's 3D YouTube, so you can upload your videos, your 3D videos to YouTube. We have a gallery where all your photos and videos are stored, and we also have the camera.
The 3D looks great on the device.
Thank you. So if we go into the gallery, I will find some images to show you. So we have a video here that was shot earlier at the World Mobile Congress. So there we have a 3D video, and by the touch of a button I can change that to 2D.
I can say that the 3D looks great.
And then back to 3D.
But our viewers
cannot see.
Yeah,
Yes.
but it looks great.
Unfortunately.
Very good.
So then we also have some images.
So you can picture a 3D image and then show it as a 2D image.
Yes, by the touch of a button. There we have a 3D image, and again that gets changed to a 2D.
And it's 5 megapixel
5 megapixel camera, yes. So, cool feature on this phone. So not only can you convert films and images from 2D to 3D, we now have a 3D game converter. So any 2D games you can convert into 3D. So you just select add, it'll give you all of the 2D content that you have. You just select, and that will then add to your converted content. So for example, if you want to make a shortcut onto your home screen, it will then tell you that it is a 3D application. So then you can play that game, which is intended to be 2D, in 3D.
Oh, looks really nice.
Yeah.
And that's originally a 2D game.
Yes. Also, we have the first ever 3D video editor. You can insert your videos, your images and audio just by tapping and selecting your chosen cuts. There may be some images. And you can also add some audio to that if you want to. So if you wanted to share, if you've been to a family gathering, a nice wedding, you can take some nice photos. You can export the file, which is extremely fast. If you have up to 10 minutes of video footage, it will only take 1 minute to export. It's very, very fast, as you can see. So now we can play that back. It says a few video clips that I've just added together with a little bit of music.
And we have HDMI output. MHL, right?
We have, yes, we have MHL, which you can see here. This handset here is linked up by MHL
To the TV.
to this TV here.
So if we have a 3D TV, we can play the game in 3D.
Yeah, you can play the game on the phone, and then people around you can watch using the glasses.
מילה מעולה בתת-מימד. לא באמת. Looks great.
If only that worked, that'd be great.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.